In this video, we'll explore 20 types of aircraft commonly used in the United States, from passenger and cargo planes to modern military aircraft. Let's go! Boeing 787 Dreamliner, a modern long-range passenger aircraft known for its fuel efficiency and advanced technology. Built with lightweight composite materials, it offers improved comfort, larger windows, and lower operating costs. The Dreamliner serves airlines on international routes worldwide. Boeing 747. This is the Boeing 747, one of the most iconic airliners ever built. Known as the Queen of the Skies, it features a distinctive humpbacked upper deck and can carry hundreds of passengers. The 747 has played a major role in global air travel for decades. C-130 Hercules. This is the C-130 Hercules, a versatile military transport aircraft used by air forces around the world. It can carry troops, cargo, vehicles, and humanitarian supplies. Its ability to operate from short and unprepared runways makes it highly valuable in challenging conditions. F-16 Fighting Falcon. This is the F-16 Fighting Falcon, a multi-role fighter jet renowned for its speed, agility, and combat effectiveness. Used by numerous countries, it performs air-to-air combat, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions. Its advanced systems make it a highly capable military aircraft. Airbus A320. This is the Airbus A320, one of the world's most popular narrow-body passenger aircraft. It is widely used for short and medium-haul routes, offering fuel efficiency, reliability, and passenger comfort. The A320 family serves airlines across the globe. Boeing 767. This is the Boeing 767, a twin-engine wide-body aircraft used for passenger and cargo transportation. Known for its versatility and reliability, it operates on domestic and international routes. Many airlines and freight operators continue to rely on this proven aircraft. Boeing 757. This is the Boeing 757, a narrow-body airliner designed for medium and long-range flights. It is known for strong performance, fuel efficiency, and the ability to operate from shorter runways. The 757 remains popular among passenger and cargo operators. Airbus A330. This is the Airbus A330, a wide-body passenger aircraft designed for medium and long-haul travel. It offers spacious cabins, efficient engines, and excellent operating economics. Airlines around the world use the A330 for both passenger and cargo services. Cessna 172. One of the most successful and widely produced aircraft in aviation history. It is commonly used for pilot training, personal travel, and recreational flying. The aircraft is valued for its simplicity, reliability, and ease of operation. Cirrus SR-22. This is the Cirrus SR-22, a high-performance single-engine aircraft popular among private pilots. It features modern avionics, impressive speed, and a built-in whole aircraft parachute system. The SR-22 is widely recognized for safety, comfort, and advanced technology. B-2 Spirit. This is the B-2 Spirit, a stealth strategic bomber operated by the United States Air Force. Its unique flying wing design and low radar visibility allow it to penetrate heavily defended airspace. The aircraft can carry both conventional and strategic weapons. Learjet 75. This is the Learjet 75, a light business jet designed for fast and comfortable executive travel. It features advanced avionics, efficient performance, and a luxurious cabin. The aircraft is widely used for corporate transportation and private aviation missions. F-35 Lightning II. This is the F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation stealth fighter developed for advanced military operations. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors and stealth technology, it performs air superiority, strike, and intelligence missions. This is the Boeing 777, a long-range twin-engine wide-body aircraft known for efficiency, reliability, and passenger comfort. It serves major international routes and can carry large numbers of passengers over great distances. The 777 is a cornerstone of many airline fleets. This is the Airbus A221, the largest member of the A220 family. It offers increased passenger capacity while maintaining fuel efficiency and operational flexibility. Airlines use the A221 on short, medium, and even long-haul routes around the world. This is the Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner. Its double-deck design allows it to carry hundreds of passengers in exceptional comfort. The A380 is famous for its size, quiet operation, and ability to serve busy international airports. F-22 Raptor. This is the F-22 Raptor, an advanced stealth fighter aircraft operated by the United States Air Force. It combines speed, maneuverability, stealth, and powerful sensors to achieve air superiority. The F-22 is considered one of the most capable fighter jets ever built. Gulfstream G650. This is the Gulfstream G650, a luxury long-range business jet known for exceptional speed and comfort.
It can travel between continents without refueling while offering a spacious cabin and advanced technology. The G650 is highly regarded in executive aviation. Beechcraft Bonanza. This is the Beechcraft Bonanza, a high-performance single-engine aircraft widely used for personal and business travel. Known for reliability, efficiency, and smooth handling, it has remained popular among pilots for decades and is one of aviation's classic aircraft designs. This is the Boeing 737, one of the best-selling commercial aircraft in history. Designed for short and medium-haul routes, it is operated by airlines worldwide. The 737 is valued for its efficiency, reliability, and ability to serve a wide range of markets. Remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your favorite type of airplane. Thanks for watching.